Meet Frank Passmore, a certified financial fiduciary and certified estate planner who has helped hundreds of clients prepare for a better retirement. Frank helps clients tackle sequence of returns risk, where early market losses can harm retirement income. His strategies protect assets, ensuring stable income regardless of market fluctuations. With increasing longevity, the fear of outliving assets is real. Frank addresses this by creating income streams that last a lifetime. His plans ensure that no matter how long you live, your retirement lifestyle remains secure and comfortable. Costs rise, needs evolve, and healthcare expenses soar. Frank's approach includes flexible, inflation-aware income planning. This ensures clients are prepared for both current and future financial demands, providing peace of mind in an ever-changing world. Losing a spouse can have devastating financial impacts. Frank's plans include survivor benefits, income continuity, and tax strategies. This ensures that the surviving spouse is financially secure, maintaining stability and emotional well-being during difficult times. Frank Passmore doesn't just create financial plans, he builds peace of mind. With integrity and experience, he prioritizes protecting your retirement from major risks, ensuring your future is secure and your financial well-being is prioritized.